Welcome back to another beautiful day down here at Haulover Inlet. It's a little overcast today, but we do got a little wind and some nice waves, and it's gonna be a good one. I am your host, Broncos Guru, along with our boy Wavy Boats down at the inlet getting the images, and it's this week's episode of Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature at Haulover Inlet down in Miami, Florida. I do have to admit though, this opening clip's a little depressing to me. I hate watching these big boats come slow roll their way through Haulover. You know what? Let's do a Big Boat Wednesday, watch some guys absolutely annihilate Haulover, and you go ahead and vote for your favorite boat down in the comments below. Our first boat to step into the ring with Haulover and try and be a Haulover MVP this week is gonna be this Cobia. With the nickname Sonic, you know they should come flying through here. These guys do have a pretty good pace going. They've got the throttles down and they're just making their way through Haulover pretty flawlessly. They've got that boat up on plane, doing its job and letting it work. Let's hear what these engines sound like as they come blasting through Haulover. Our next boat to do battle with Haulover this week is going to be this big beautiful Midnight Express, and this is definitely a heavy contender with 5 Mercury Racing 400Rs on the back to be that big boat champ on this Wednesday. But as you can see, they're coming through here throttle down and things look pretty good. I love how planted this boat stays, and also this sounds incredible as well. No contest like this would be complete without an Invincible blasting its way through Haulover. These are Haulover destroyers and one of my favorite boats out there on the water. These things are absolutely beautiful and man, they just haul tail. You always got to throw a cigarette in there. With their true offshore racing pedigree, these boats are absolutely fantastic as they come through Haulover. One of the things that is a little surprising to watch this clip, I expected it to fare about the same as that Midnight Express. That Midnight Express stayed a little more planted to the water than this cigarette does, but the cigarette's still blasting its way through. Our next boat is a SeaVee, and we see quite a few of these coming through Haulover, and these guys pretty much eat up Haulover as they go as well. You're able to really get these boats throttled down and let them just blast their way through. Things are always a little deceiving when I see these videos because you can't really tell how fast this boat's going until it gets right on top of us. And as the SeaVee approaches, you can tell they are absolutely slaying Haulover. And yes, I know all them Boston Whaler boys are out there. What? You can't do a contest like this and not throw a whaler in. Well, here you go, guys. We'll go ahead and put one in here. How about a nice little Montauk 170 for you? Yes, I know this is not a big boy boat, but you know what? They're out there having a good time, and they are absolutely killing Haulover as well. These guys come blasting through here several times a year, and every time we catch them, we try and grab these video clips because they always go out there and hoon it up with the best of them. And of course, we always try and keep things fair here, so here's their engine shot as well. That's a pretty solid job by these two getting out of Haulover. Go ahead and write it up in the comment section below. What was your favorite boat from this episode and who's the winner of Big Boat Wednesday? Also be sure to search the comments below because Wavy Boats and I will both post our picks down there for our favorites also. Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to smash that like button. That really does help us out tremendously, and also be sure to check out our other 2 channels. We have Wavy Boats, who gets to us great footage from Haulover Inlet, and my channel Broncos Guru. We do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on that subscribe button.